Hey guys, so today we'll be climbing Mount Everest, and on the way I found this Filipino person.
Kumusta?
Um, well, our journey is to find the One Piece buried in the Everest mountain, because I heard
Mhm,
that. Oh, this slide is a bit broken. I heard
tama.
that this is where they hid the One Piece, and I know that my Filipino friend here, he he loves One Piece.
Laging One Piece, Two Piece lang alam ko eh.
So I don't know what's going on, but ever since I got here, this guy's been following me, and I was like, you know what? He can join my party, right?
Cute-cute nang nasa harap ko na. Cute.
Yeah. So, the only thing I know about Filipino is that they like to eat lumpia and Jollibee.
Lumpia, may Jollibee. Alam mo ngayon,
So
Jollibee.
yeah, I don't know him that much, but hopefully while on this journey I get to know him more.
Laki ng pet nito.
Oh wait, as you can see here, Mr. Filipino, we are at the
Uy,
path to Camp 1.
Camp 1. Parang ano to, Boy Scouts dati. Alam mo yun, dati may
I
kinana
know
ko ng
that.
ano, na...
I don't
What's sand
understand
in
what he's
Tagalog?
saying.
What's sand in Tagalog?
Sand?
Buhangin, buhangin.
Bahangin? Okay, you just gotta be careful. I heard that oh wait, there's a sign over there. Wait.
Ano
Oh
yun?
no, it's the
Path
same
to
sign.
Camp 1.
Path to Camp 1. Be careful, there's lots of these holes here.
No, tanga ka
If
ba?
you make one blunder, then we might fall to our doom.
Blunder lang ko yun, Chess.
So, I don't know your name yet. What can I call you, Mr. Filipino?
You call me Lumpia. That's my favorite, that one.
Okay, my name is Flabs. You can call me Flabs.
Pangit
Hey,
naman ang
Flab.
pangalan na ito.
We're so
Uy,
close.
may ilaw dun sa taas.
Are you feeling quite thirsty yet? I'm at 50% thirst. Here we are. We're at Camp 1.
61 yung thirst ko, parang di ko kailangan uminom ng tubig. Di pa.
Oh, we can refill our water. Okay, just drink our water real quick. There's like a
Uy.
percentage meter. Alright, drink as much water as we can. And then refill.
I'm drowning! I'm drowning! Uy!
Yep, that's perfect.
Takaw na ito.
Alright, let's keep going on our trail. So I wonder
Mataba.
how many more.
Mataba ka, mataba.
What?
Saan tayo papunta?
Mataba ka, mataba.
I wonder how many survivors have been passing these ladders one by one, and never coming back home to their family.
No?
No?
Because as I've heard, there's been like probably 12,000 deaths every year in the.
Uy, teka lang, Blabs.
What's happening?
Warning. Dangerous. Serac Traverse.
Sirac Traverse.
Di ko rin alam.
There's a little rope here. What if I just try climbing on it? Oh, there it is. You can't climb the rope. Now we know.
Parang tanga yung kasama ko dito.
Interesting. Who tied up the ladder like this? Very smart people.
Ano
As
to?
you can see here, we have this like some kind of Kryptonian light source we have. As you can see, my friend Lupia, he's already leaving me behind. So I gotta catch up.
Siyempre.
Let's see
Dapat
what
kasi nag-e-exercise ka, taba-taba mo eh. Bagal mo eh.
I'm not sure what he's really saying, but I hope he's saying nice things about me.
Pangit na itong kasama ko
Because
eh.
of me, as an American cowboy from the southeast, me and my friends, we've always joked around each other, but we would never do
Nakakatakot
for
naman
each
to.
other. Alright.
Bakit ka uhaw?
Some very
Uhaw, alam ko yun, uhaw.
long bridges here filled with like these ladders. I wonder who would make these ladders. As you can see, we just passed by a Kryptonian light. You see the
Nasaan
next
si
one?
Flabs? Ay.
I'm right here. Wait, hold on, pause. Right
Bakit?
there.
Uy!
Oh.
Nagalaw
Whoa,
yung...
don't pause, keep going. Keep going, twin. Hold on. Ooh.
Ano yun? Ah!
There's some
Healing
campfire there.
campfire.
If in case you fall down.
Para sa mga
Interesting.
tanga.
Now I know. Oh, this is not really safe at all. My weight is it's pulling pressure on the ladder.
Hindi ba alam? Chest varsity
Whoa,
ako.
whoa. All right. Hopefully he didn't eat too much lumpia. Man, hold on.
Tabatat.
All right. Oh my God, my
Taba
head is getting
ching-ching.
tall. As
Uy, nangyari sa taba ching-ching.
All right, let's continue your path. How are they building these ladders? Look at these ladders. Who did this? Who brought this?
Ang galing naman ni Taba Ching-Ching dito. Ang bilis niya umakyat.
I'm not sure.
Don't judge the cover by its book, diba?
I'm not sure what he's saying, but as you can see, we passed another Kryptonian light. Keep going. Warning, a steep cave.
Ano yan? Steep Cabby?
I
Steep
think it's like
Cabby.
I'm not sure. It's probably kind of steep, and it's like a probably some kind of like a underground entrance into the mountain, so it's like a cave probably, but it's like a bit steep. So you gotta watch out. I don't see why we're not in a cave. We're on the
Hindi
mountain.
naman to cave ah. What is
That's
this
true.
Di
Are
marunong.
you feeling cold yet? Cause
Hindi pa tol.
all right,
Hindi pa Lodi Cakes.
interesting. Let's keep going. Whoa! I've earned $4 from my
Uy!
climbing. That is
Rich
actually
millionaire,
impressive.
millionaire.
We are
Milyonaryo na ako
making
guys.
monies.
Thank you, thank
Those who
you.
know, there's some other people here. Ohio gozaimasu. This guy might be some
Ohio
kind
Ang
of
lengguwahe yan.
foreigner from. Oh, whoa! Can you lift my? Can you grab my hand?
Ang bigat, ang bigat, ang bigat. Ang daming tao dito tol.
Yeah,
Nahihiya naman ako.
this might be, this might be where most people die. It seems like they're going
Pwede
to
nga.
look carefully at these parts. Interesting. Yeah, how the hell did they put these?
Usog! Usog!
One day I'll be able to understand your words, but for
Wala
now,
akong makitang taba-taba ng kasama ko eh.
I just wish I could understand him. If only there was a device to understand what Tagalog is. But as of now,
Ano to?
whoa, healing campfire.
Hindi ko to kailangan. Max HP naman ako eh.
Wow,
Dapat ching move to the earth.
it seems like he's saying like this one phrase, something like it's about to have a ching, but
Wala akong makitang bagal nito.
Filipino friend.
Plabs, you speak the English, that one?
Yeah, I do. I'm from. Whoa! Be careful.
Where are you?
I speak a little bit of American here and there.
American, that naman, dadawan ni the tea and biscuit na.
That's actually the wrong country. That's actually
Nah,
Australia.
that's American na.
That's actually Australia. Oh,
Ah,
as you can see,
Australia.
we've reached Camp 2.
Uy,
Welcome
camp
Camp
to,
2.
galing naman.
Let's drink our water real quick.
Kasi, you know, Plabs, back in my day, I was actually the pro climber of
Wait,
the
You could
Philippines.
speak English this whole time.
Anong English? Hindi ako marunong English.
What?
You're the Plabs, diba?
Oh, wait,
How old
what's
is
this?
you? How
Uh,
old is you?
I'm currently 24 years old. What's this? Caution now.
Tanda.
The fuck?
Continuing on, we have here keep out danger system. Interesting. So they blocked
Sabi
it off
nito.
from us. Main route caved in. Find another route. Interesting. Who is this guy? Oh, hey there. The entrance to the Lanx cave system is too dangerous for inexperienced explorers. I'm sorry. We have to reach 2 summits, it seems. So we have to climb Mount Everest 2 times without dying. Interesting. There's a little ladder right here. Could
Parang
I?
tanga talaga yung kasama.
This Filipino is someone else.
Ano to?
Very interesting.
Hindi na pa
Interesting.
talaga yung
As you can see
path.
now, it seems like we found less of ladders and more of more hiking than ladders. Very interesting.
Wow,
thing we have
parang
here.
parang hiking
This
game to.
observation, interesting. Hold on, I've done some extreme tech there. Look
Uy.
at that. Look at that. Oh, there we go. We found the rest of the travelers.
Uy, ang daming tao dito.
Nice.
Free food, no?
What?
How many free food is one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Wait, you can
6,
speak
6,
English?
7 free food.
Oh god. As you can see, we go to the left. Dave made a blunder, but I've made a wonder.
Uy,
Come on, yes, my kaibigan. That's a word I look
My
for.
kaibigan!
That's a word.
kaibigan, you love me? Si Hito Yakult. Si Hito Yakult. Si Hito Yakult. With
As you can
gulaman,
see,
syempre.
most Filipinos here can actually sing, and that the country of Filipinos are most likely karaoke singers, which leads up to our Filipino here, Lumpia, learning to sing and freestyle in front of us right now. Very
I
interesting
swear.
indeed.
I'm only half Filipino, so...
Wait, do you speak English?
English na sinasabi nito, parang tanga.
It seems like he's slowly showing his cracks.
Yo, yo, that's
Slowly
good.
showing.
Taba ching-ching, ay!
Oh,
Uy, taba
God.
ching-ching, cute. Hindi taba ching-ching dito.
Oh god. Alright, the thing's like, listen, I've earned another $4 for climbing.
5 pesos. Parang ano lang yan ah. Parang
Is $4
0.05
really 5
cents.
pesos? Interesting.
Teka.
Narrow route ahead. Be careful,
Narorot?
sir.
Sino si Narorot?
So
Narorot
basically, a
ahead.
narrow route you're talking about means it's like a very slim route, and we have to really be careful. So that
Slim
all the
opposite mo
walls-
yan.
Narrow route
Narorot.
ahead. Be careful.
Narorot, that the animated.
No.
Sharingan!
Let's look for any survivors.
Uy,
It seems like all of our survivor friends have died. Actually,
yun nga eh. Wala na tayong pre-food.
interesting. Is there anyone in
Hindi, may
here?
tao pa dun. May
Hello?
tao pa dun sa harap, oh.
Oh, I see
Parang
them.
dalawa, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam. I don't know the numbers.
What is this? It seems like there's some new technologia here.
Teknolohiya.
Attach two ice anchors along with the climbing route in order to climb. E attach
Uy,
anchor. Oh
parang
my days.
peak.
I'm climbing. Look at my legs sway right to left.
Ah,
And climbing. Come on, grab my hand. Yes. Yes, you're my loadie cake. That's awesome. Good to know.
Malapit na akong tumalon dito, tol.
No.
Hey, so how's your day been? Oh my!
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Alright.
Ba't gumagalaw yung paa niya? Left, right, left, right.
I'm trying my best to climb. It's getting better. Okay, here's the rocky hills. It's okay. It kind of hurts my fingers, but it's okay. We're gonna keep climbing.
Yats! Ang sakit!
Interesting. There's just a long ladder someone left there. They gave up. They stopped climbing with the ice and just started laddering up.
Uy.
Sometimes you have to know when to stop. Lumpia! Okay, scared me. That was my first person view. Like, I wouldn't know if you were dead or not.
Don't be scared. I'm joking only. I'm joking only, plebs.
Be careful, be careful. There
Ano,
might be some
because in
zombies.
the Philippines, we joke a lot. We joke around a lot. Joke time
Interesting.
tawag namin. Joke time. You know joke time? It's alright. It's alright. We got this.
I'm pretty hungry. It's pretty hungry. I'm pretty hungry.
Parang gutom na atong taba-ching-ching. Oxygen? Alam mo
I
yun,
have
ah.
one hunger left.
Ay!
Oh, no, that's my
Oxygen,
oxygen.
bro.
I'm dying. I'm dying. I can't see. That's my hunger, but it's actually my oxygen.
17 pa oxygen ko. Okay
Come
lang.
up, up here.
Kiss my mouth! Kiss my mouth!
Alright, come on. I can sense we're so
You
close.
need air, friend. Flabs, you need the friend.
Yes.
You need the air.
Yes.
Come kiss me, man. We're almost at the top, my friend. Don't worry. Above na, above. We're close to the finish
Hold
line.
my breath. What's your oxygen bar at?
11 pa.
How are you holding your breath so wildly? Is
Kasi
this
as a
common to
Filipino
people?
singer, I
Ah,
can control my breathing very
that's
much.
true.
Pero
For
pag
me.
nag-switch yung personality ko, biglang baka mahimatay ako. Ang haba naman ng hagdan na to,
I
ah.
can't see anymore. It's so far out.
Ang lapit na natin sa taas, tol.
I can't breathe.
Tol, parang bumibilis yung oxygen bar ko. Uy, 4 pesos. Andito na yung camp tree, tol, tol.
See it?
Bilisan mo na, bilisan mo na.
There's a lot of ladders. I'm getting slower by the second.
Bilisan mo na, dito na ako, tol.
I'm getting slower by the second, Twin. I'm getting slower by the
I
second.
don't want to sit down. I want to eat oxygen. Why is there no oxygen here? Oh, night. Never mind, never mind.
I can see.
Bula.
I can almost reach
Uy!
the line.
Dito ka na, bilis, bilis.
I can almost reach the line.
Bilis.
I almost see the
Bilis.
line. Almost. Like,
Ano nakakatakot naman to?
uh,
Bilis, bilis. Oxygen nandito. Alright! Taas na tayo ulit, ha?
Wait, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Need to drink water. Oh gosh.
Wala ata dito, dun sa gilid.
Oh,
Hindi
it's
ko alam.
getting so dark.
Okay lang
Can't
yan,
see
tol.
anything.
May oxygen pa naman.
scared.
Uy, uy, careful! Tol!
No.
Buhay pa siya?
That's me. I'm alone.
May langgam.
It's getting deeper. It only gets deeper here. I can't see anymore. It's getting
Tol.
so dark. It's getting so
Tol.
dark.
Tol!
I can't see.
Ayoko
the
mag-isa
light.
dito. Kailangan ko siya. Huwag ka mamatay,
I
please.
see it. I see it.
Please.
I see the entrance.
May ilaw. Flap!
Where are you? Oh my god.
Buhay
I
pa
got
kami, kaibigan
there.
ko.
I got there.
Di ba ba alam?
I'm gonna
If I
find
lose you, you're the only one I have.
How to get up there? The tech is not working. The tech is not working. The tech is working.
Akyat, akyat,
The
dun
tech
sa
is working.
gilid, sa gilid.
The tech is
Ay,
working.
dito ba? Kaya mo ba?
The tech is working. The tech is working.
Parang
Ah.
Spider-Man ata kasama ko dito.
Let me keep going.
Time
quick,
to move,
quick.
time to move.
Alright.
Maybe this time, Flabs, don't fall. Look at the
I
ground
won't
when you're
fall. I can see
walking.
the light this time.
Uy, daytime. Magandang umaga. Easy lang to, tol. Easy, easy.
Yeah, so we've been through worse than before, and we've been through the mud and been through the dirt. And this time, it'll make it worse.
Icy color.
What is the icy color?
Ano to? French?
What is this? Some abstract art piece has been made here. Interesting.
Parang siraulo yata yung lagay nito.
Oh,
Siraulo.
Ouch!
Uy!
That hurts so bad.
Parang 2 HP ko na lang ito. Tol, dapat pagka mahulog ko, wala pa akong HP lost.
Keep
Tol,
falling.
tol, tol, tol.
I can't. Am
Lock in parang prisoner, locked in the jail cell.
They are a bit interesting how they made that one. It seems like they have some kind of like
It seems like they
abstract
have no brain.
art piece in mind.
No mind, no mind.
So
We
we're
go
going
up.
up. It's our movement.
I know that one. Parang ano yan?
Demon Slayer, Infinity Castle.
Demon Slayer. Yun nga eh.
Infinity Castle.
Infinity Castle nung si Gino.
Si Gino and J-Hope and Rap. Sheer cliff, watch your step. I wonder what that means.
Watch your step. That means you start breakdancing dito sa gilid. Kasi watch your
Oh.
step. That's the part of the lyrics
Careful,
of one
be
of the
careful.
songs from the old time.
You know, I heard it's hard to actually go. Oh, $8. I just got paid $8. Whoa.
Wait.
Did
I
you feel
get
that?
no money. You get money. I get no money.
Did you
Sino
feel
to?
Did you? Walter White.
Walter White ka.
All right, let's keep going carefully. We're almost at the end. I swear I can smell it.
Si Walter
careful.
White, kailangan
Oh
niya
my
magluto
gosh.
ng ano.
Wait, this is my
Uy.
biggest enemy.
Ay, payatot. Bilisan mo na, Walter White.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ang taba-taba mo, Walter.
Okay, careful. Where we go up? Careful, we go up.
I smell something stinky.
Sorry. It's my chimichanga burrito.
Tol, parang may nakakatakot sa likod ko.
This is an assassination attempt.
up.
We're
Going
going
up.
up with Walter White. Right, can we keep climbing? Attach the anchor.
You go to the right, you go around the pillar.
Understood.
To the right, to the
Smart
right.
one.
Can I
only
turn off
sense
my
that.
oxygen?
That's
Why? What
Why
the?
would you do that?
Dude, you can click the off button and then it says you turn it on again. Like, why?
Really? Mr. Olympia, we're almost there. I can almost sense the truth. I'll figure out if we have the One Piece or not. Wow.
1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece.
Chicken
You like the
jolly.
pandesal?
Yes,
You like the
pandesal is
pandesal?
actually very delicious bread. It pairs up
Okay.
well with you know like chocolate, like hot chocolate, like coffee,
Oh,
milk.
of course, like the Milo.
Yes, like Milo, exactly.
Milo every day. Milo every day.
Yo, I think I don't at all. Look at all. Okay, fit there.
Saan
Okay.
ta? Saan tayo papunta?
Any
Dito
hole?
ba? I'm not me,
I
I'm just
smell, I
being
smell onions
truthful.
soon. Smells good.
Onion, sorry. I haven't taken the shower.
No.
How do I get up this one? Hey,
Um,
easy like pie.
I'm scared.
Left, right.
Warning.
Move to the left.
Unstable
Move
death
to the right.
bridge.
Why they call it death bridge? Like stupid people making everyone scared. Maybe this is why people die.
We'll do the other in case the bridge falls. Come on, the other. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Not death bridge, that one easy bridge.
Oh my God, the file check. We're almost here. Look up. The summit of Mount Everest.
Uy,
Lumpia,
summit
Lumpia,
of
we made
MT
it.
Everest.
Lumpia, we made it. We made it, Lumpia. We made it.
Congratulations. Ano to?
Now what?
Ano to?
Now what?
What's on the ground? Clipboard.
What?
Now what?
Oh, wait. We got the music.
Breaking news.
Oh no, news. Now what?
Now what?
We fight to the death.
Hello.
We fight to the death. Oh shit. Okay, it was not anticlimactic.
That is
Okay,
very
I will
anticlimactic.
now jump and kill myself.
No, wag! Flabs.
I will make.
Bakit?
We made it this far.
Why? Why would you jump off?
There's one more thing left, and that is to fly higher.
No,
Lumpia,
you can't. You
tell-
can't leave me here.
Gian
There's-
Lumpia, I don't know who it is. Tell me you'll make it higher without me.
No, I can't. I can't do
Tell
it
me you'll
without
go
you.
back down. and
You're
you'll
the
tell
only
my
one I
father-
have left. You're the only friend I have.
You'll tell my father.
Without you, it's over. It means nothing.
No,
Nothing I
it's-
do will have meaning because you're gone. We may have met maybe an hour ago. Everything. We went through everything together.
Yeah.
I went here to end my life. But when I found you, you gave me a reason to live. But now you're telling me you're gonna jump off? Please, wag.
This
Flabs.
This was my last dream.
Flabs, no! Uy! I'm hanging on.
Oh!